Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the backup option, which is right here, and just tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some info about the backup. And so here you can check that you are able to use the 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and of course, you will be able to manage the backup easy whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on here. And we've been transferred to the account storage, to the backup section, let's say. Here you can check how much space you've got left and how much you've got used. You can manage the storage, of course, so for example, remove some unnecessary files and data. And here you've got the backup details, so you can check which section has been backed up already. And I have no idea what happened. Let's tap on the backup again. All right. Let me try to fix it. Let's go back here. Alright, and we've got it, fortunately. And basically all you have to do right now is to simply tap on backup now. What's more, and it's quite important, at the very bottom of this list you've got this advanced settings option. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, because thanks to this your device will back up the data only using the Wi-Fi. If you will turn it on, your device will be allowed to back up the data using the mobile data, and you may be charged for that. So remember to keep this turned off. And basically, as I said, tap on backup now. And that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.